Hello dear students, in this lesson we will learn about what is it in German language. What is it? This is a car. This is one of the most important sentence patterns in German. If you understand this, many German sentences will become easy for you. Don't always use these in German. Many beginners translate English directly into German, and that causes mistakes. In this lesson, I will make it very simple. So look at this sentence. In English, we say, what is it? In German, was ist das? In English, we say, what is it? In German, we say, was ist das? What, was, ist, it, das. Here, das means it. It is not masculine or feminine here. It is just it. Now, pause and repeat. Was ist das? Pause the video and say it yourself. Was ist das? Was ist das? So the answer pattern. What is it? This is a car. Das ist ein Auto. Now the answer. This is a car. Das ist ein Auto. So now this, das, ist, ein, car, Auto. This is a car. Das ist ein Auto. So German is logical. You only need to remember the order. So, was ist das? Das ist ein Auto. These two sentences are enough to start speaking German. German becomes easy step by step. If you understand this lesson, the next lesson will be easier, especially if you plan to go to Germany for study or work. So now look at this picture. This is a cake, okay? Was ist das? What is it? Das ist ein Kuchen. This is a cake. Kuchen. Kuchen. Was ist das? Das ist ein Kuchen. So Kuchen is masculine, so that's why we are using here ein. Was ist das? What is it? Das ist ein Auto. This is a car. Was ist das? Das ist ein Auto. Was ist das? What is it? Das ist eine Uhr. Uhr. This is a clock. Was ist das? Das ist ein Uhr. Das ist ein Uhr. Was ist das? What is it? Das ist eine Tasche. This is a pocket. Was ist das? Das ist eine Tasche. Was ist das? Das ist eine Tasche. Was ist das? Das ist eine Tafel. This is a blackboard. Was ist das? Das ist eine Tafel. Was ist das? Das ist eine Tafel. Was ist das? What is it? Das ist ein Baum. Das ist ein Baum. This is a tree. Was ist das? Das ist ein Baum. Was ist das? Das ist ein Baum. So now, Übung, exercise, fill in the blanks in the following pages. Here, a new word for you in vocabulary. Frage Nummer 1 means question number 1. Frage, question. Antwort. Antwort means answer. So now you should write the question in your notebook and also the answer. The first one I will do for you. Was ist das? What is it? Antwort means answer. Das ist eine Henne. So all the slides you should write in your notebook. Frage Nummer 2. Question number 2. You should write here. Look at this picture, then ask a question with yourself, then write in your notebook. Antwort means answer, and then write the answer here, okay? And Frage Nummer 3, question number 3, look at this picture, then ask the question with yourself, then write your answer here in your notebook. Then Antwort means answer, then write down the answer here, okay? And look at this picture. Then Frage Nummer 4, question number 4. Write down the answer, the question, and then Antwort. Write the answer of the same question here in your notebook. And Frage Nummer 5, question number 5. Look at this. Ask from yourself, then write in your notebook, and then Antwort means answer. Give the answer here. Write in your notebook. Frage Nummer 6. Question number 6. Look at this picture. Make a question, write in your notebook, then Antwort, answer the question, okay? Frage Nummer 7. Question number 7. Look at this picture, make question, write down the question in your notebook, then Antwort that question means answer that question here, and write down in your notebook. Frage Nummer 8. Look at this picture, make question, write down the question, Antwort, and answer the question here. Vocabulary words, vocabulum, write these words in your notebook. These words. Die Orange. Die Orange, the orange. Die Tasche, the pocket. You can say only pocket in English. Die Uhr, the clock. Or only you can say clock. Die Orange, die Tasche, die Uhr. So now like, subscribe, practice. Practice these sentences and continue with the next lesson. Das Ende, the end. Bis bald. See you soon.